Hello, welcome all to my channel. Today we are going to learn order by clause in MySQL Workbench. Previously we have just seen how to implement the where clause in a MySQL Workbench. We are continuing our discussion for the order clause for the today's session. As we know, database contains a very huge and complex kind of a data. So if any of the situation, if you require any particular specified data, then that filtering is carried out with the help of where clause. In the same way, if in any situation, whatever the data with you, if you are interested to arrange that or sort that data in a particular fashion, that is either in an ascending or descending order, then you have to use the where order clause. So the order by this clause is used to sort the result set in either ascending or descending order. Then how to implement that or how to achieve that sorting? So there are the different possibilities for the syntax. Depending on you are applying this order by clause on a whole table or on a particular column. So firstly, the category over here, it is for the whole table. So first of all, select start from table name. Then you can apply the order by either of the two ways. Firstly, individual order by clause, or you can implement that in conjunction with where clause also. So after following mentioning the table name, use the keyword as an order by, then use the column name on which you interested to go for the sorting operation. Afterwards, you mention that whatever the order you require, that is either ascending or descending. Write down ASC for the ascending order and DESC for the descending order. If you are not mentioning any of ascending or descending, then by default, sorting will be carried out for the ascending order. Similar way, if you can apply the order by clause in conjunction with where condition, please remember over here, firstly, you have to apply the where condition, then order by. So select start from table name, use the condition with the help of where by clause, where condition, then order by column name, ascending or descending order. Now this one is for the whole table. You can implement that in the same manner for the particular column also. The syntax or the possibilities will be remains as in the same one. That is, only instead of this start from table name, you have to mention the column name and then followed by the table name. Similar way, you can apply it individual order by or with the help of where condition. Now, there is another third possibility over here is that can you apply the ascending or descending, this sorting only on a one column at a time? No. You can apply, you can go for the sorting on a multiple columns also and by the different combination. That is, first of all, select star from table name, order by, column 1 in the ascending order, column 2 in a descending order. So whatever the number of the columns you require to go for the sorting, depending on that, sorting will be takes place. Now what happens in this situation is that whenever you are applying for the two columns, then in the first sorting is carried out on the first column name, and if any of the repetition is shown in this result, then that will be again sorted with the help of a second condition. So this, it will be not happen that individually column 1 is going in the ascending order and individual column 2 is moving in a descending order. No, that is not happens. First of all, this condition will be applied. Then whatever the result set you will be get, within that, if any repetition will be carried out, same data is followed, then on that repeated data, your second condition is applied. So the default sort order will be remain as an ascending one, as I told you. This order by keyword will be used along with an where clause in the statements also. The sorting can be applied on a multiple fields or a column at a time. So we are just going to implement that on MySQL Workbench. So let's start. So this one is nothing but our table that we have created, it consists of the roll number data for the 10 entries. It consists of the different columns, that is on the roll number, first name, last name, city, marks, and the class. Now we will be just move to implement the different conditions, possibilities by the order by clause. So first of all, select star from table name. Then I will be just go use the keyword as an order by. I'm putting down this one on a roll number, this column. I use this one in a descending order. So whatever the roll numbers are available, it is from 1 to 10. They are now arranged in the descending order, so that it will started from the 10 was moving towards the 1 itself. So it is 10, 9, 8, 7 up to the 1. If I'm not mentioning over here any of the order, then it will be remains as an same one, that is in the ascending order. So let's see, that is will become into 1 to 10. Now, this order is mentioned only on the numbers. No, you can be use this one on alphabetical data also. So let's see that. Select star form. I'm now order by. You can apply this. I'm going to use this one on the first name, then DESC. So whatever it is alphabetically going to be arranged from larger to the smaller one. So let's see, I am applied this one on a first name, that is on this column. So there is an R, S, N, A. So A will becomes as an last one. Let's see over here. Okay, so this one is S, then R, N, J, and lastly it will becomes as an A. So here we have arranged the ascending and descending order. So in this way, you can apply this one in a numerical data or on an alphabetical data. This one is individually. If you just see like that, select, then I use the particular column as a roll number, then followed by the table name. Then we can be go with order by, then descending order. So what happens over here? That is, you applying the here, first of all, I'm just again taken out the roll number itself. Okay. So instead of a star from here, I have mentioned a particular column name that is a roll number. So out of here in this table, instead of mentioning or displaying whole information, we get only for a roll number. So here only roll numbers will be displayed. If I will be just taken out over here as a last name, then only last name is going to be displayed by the order numbers in the descending order. Okay, so here only last name is displayed. If I write over here as a whole table, then you will be get the whole table. Okay, so in this way, the first category is completed over here. Now we are trying to implement this where order by clause with the in conjunction with where. So select, then we will be go from select star from table name. It is followed by the table name itself. Then we can use the where roll number greater than 3. Then order by, I will be just go with a city. So if I will be just go over here, city decrement. So what happens over here? That is, first of all the data from the table is just selected over here. Then from that table, the roll number whichever greater than 3, that is from 4 to 10, we will select it. That filtering first of all carried out. And whatever the data you get from that, the second sorting will be displayed. That is, cities are going to be displayed in a descending order. So let's see over here. So whatever the roll number greater than 3, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That roll numbers, that is on a 6 entries displayed over here. And now city is going to be arranged in a descending order. So B will be comes as an last, P will be comes as an first one. Okay. So in this way, with the help of a condition, you can display your data or sort your data either in a ascending or descending order. Same thing you will be just carried out for the individual column also. that is selects. I will be just over here, select mark from table name. Then you can say like that, where roll number less than 8, order by, that is order by, then you can say like that key city. So it will becomes in the ascending order. The same one, that is I have used only on a particular column. So here only that particular column is displayed. Now nextly, you can apply this on the multiple columns. That is, now select start from, we will be apply that on a whole table. That is roll number. I will be just taken out the first condition, that is a roll number greater than 2. Then order by, first of all, I will be just considered as a marks. Then marks in a decrement order, and you can go the next one as a class in the ascending order. So let's what happens over there. So here, whatever we have used, that is a select start from, that is the table name, where roll number is greater than 2. Then order by marks in the decrement order. And then we will be just move for arranging this class in the ascending order, ASC. So we will be just going to implement this one. So in this way, what happens, first of all, the roll number 2 greater than 2. So from 3 to 10, these entries are selected. Out of that, the first sorting will be taken out on the marks. So the marks are just this one. It is in a decrementing order. So the highest marks 85, then it is going to be arranged in a decrementing order. Now let's see, here are the 2 marks are repeated, that is 81, 81. Then on this repeated data, your second sorting will be takes place. That is, first of all, B and then T will be considered. It will be not like that ki all the data in a B will becomes first and then it will becomes in a decrementing order. No, whatever the data is common or the repeated, depend on this data only, your second filtering is going to be carried out. That is class in the ascending. So B will becomes first and T will becomes latter. So in this way, we can arrange the order by clause either individually or either in the conjunction with where clause. So order by this clause is used for the sorting either in the ascending or descending order. This ascending or descending you can be applied on the numerical data or the alphabetical data in either in the on a one column particularly or either in another different many number of the columns with the combination of ascending and descending order. Okay, so this one is all for the today's session. Thank you.